Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Pradeep of Maths Teacher. So in this video, we will solve the exercise number 7.2, the coordinate geometry, the third problem. Now the question is, to conduct sports day activities in your rectangular shaped school ground ABCD, lines have been drawn with a chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD, as shown in the figure. Children, they have given a figure in the right hand side. If you observe the right hand side, they have given a figure also. Now, Niharika runs 1 by 4th the distance AD on a second line and posts a green flag. Preet runs 1 by 5th the distance AD on the 8th line and post a red flag. Here two members are running, right? What is the distance between both the flags? That's the first question you need to find. Now, if Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags, where should she post her flag? Now, children, this is the question. Now, I will explain this question, children. Now, suppose in your school you are conducting a sports day activities, right? Your school ground is in a shape of a rectangular as shown in the figure, like A B C D. We have mentioned like the in a word in alphabet A B C D, children. Now, in this A B C D rectangular field, we have drawn a line, right? Lines we have been drawn with a chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. Each line has been drawn with a chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each, children. Also, we need to place a flower pots along a AD, and each flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter each, right? Here also the lines also drawn in a chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each, and also along a AD we need to place flower pots that also at a distance of 1 meter each. How many flower pots we need to place? We need to place 100 flower pots. Now the question is, Niharika runs 1 by 4 the distance of AD on the second line. Now Niharika started to run from a second line and she ran up to 1 by 4th of a distance along a AD, and she need to post a green flag, children. Right, children? Niharika is in a second line. She is running and she ran how much distance? 1 by 4th of the distance AD in the second line, and she needs to post a green flag. Now also Preet is also running. Preet is in a 8th line. Preet is in a 8th line and she ran 1 by 5th of the distance of AD, and she need to post a red flag, right? Now again I will say, Niharika is in a second line. She ran 1 by 4th of the distance of AD and she needs to post a green flag. Now Preet is in a 8th line and Preet ran 1 by 5th of the distance of AD, and she need to post a red flag. Now what is the question? You need to find the distance between these two flag, children. So the name only saying you need to find the distance, so therefore you need to use the distance formula to find the distance between these two flags. That is the first part we need to find out. And the second part is, if Rashmi has to post a blue flag, another person is there, another student is there, the name is Rashmi. Rashmi has to post a blue flag. Where she need to post a flag? She needs to post a flag in between, exactly halfway between these two flags. Means where should she post her flag? Where should she needs to place her flag? That is another question we need to find out, children. So this is the two part that we need to find out, children. We need to first find out the distance between these two flags by using distance formula. Now if you want to find the distance between the two flags, means we need a coordinates. Have they given a coordinates, children? No. They are mentioning only Niharika is in a second line. She ran 1 by 4th of a distance of AD, right? And Preet is in a eighth line. She ran how much? 1/5 of a along a distance of AD. This much only they are giving. Now how will you find the distance between these two by using these data? First we need to find the coordinates, right? Then only we can solve or we can find the distance between these two flags. Now we will find the coordinates of Niharika's, and also we need to find the coordinates of Preet also. Afterwards we can find the distance between these two flags, children. Right, children? Now we'll find the coordinates of Niharika. Now you need to find the coordinates of the flag posted by Niharika. For that I'll write Niharika runs 1/4 the distance, 1/4 the distance AD on the second line, on the second line, and poster which flag? Green flag. So therefore the coordinates, you need to find the coordinates, right? So therefore coordinates of the flag, posted by Niharika. Let me take that as A. So therefore A of, now just Niharika is in second line, right, children? Niharika is in second line. So therefore 2 comma, because you need to take the x-axis point first, right? So therefore I'm taking x-axis. So Niharika in a second line. So therefore it's 2 comma. Now you need to take for the y-axis, right? So now just observe. So now if I remembered, means Niharika is in a second line and she ran about the distance of how much? 1/4. So 1/4 of distance she ran. So total the total distance between AD is how much? 100, because 100 flower pots has been placed, right, along a AD. So therefore 1/4 of a distance into the total distance of AD. The total distance of AD is how much? 100. So therefore 1/4 into 100. Let me say again. So A of 2. The 2 is nothing but the x-axis point, nothing but it's a second line, children. Now she ran 1/4 of AD, nothing but AD. The total distance between AD is how much? 100, because 100 flower pots has been placed along a AD. So therefore 1/4 into 100. Now multiple this, cross multiple this. 4 ones are 4, 25. So therefore what are the coordinates of Niharika? What are the coordinates of the flag posted by the Niharika? Means A of 2 comma 25 is the coordinates of flag posted by Niharika. Now by using the same method you need to find the coordinates of the flag posted by Preet, right? For that I'll write Preet runs 1/5, right? So 1/5 the distance AD on the 8th line. So she's in a 8th line, right, children? 8th line, and post a red flag, right, children? So therefore what are the coordinates? Therefore the coordinates of the flag posted by Preet is, let me take in one of the alphabet, B of, now she is in a 8th line, comma, now she ran 1 by 5th of the distance of a AD. Now, what is the total distance of AD? It is 100. So, therefore, 1 by 5th into the AD distance. So, therefore, 1 by 5th into 100. Now, make a cross multiple. 5 ones are 5 20s are. Now, so therefore, what is the coordinates of the flag posted by the Preet? So, B of 8 comma 20 is the coordinates, right? So now you got the two coordinates, right? So the A coordinates and a B coordinates. Now what they are asking in the question, you need to find the distance between these 2 points, these 2 flags, right? Now you have the coordinates points. By using a distance formula, find the distance between these 2 flags, right? Now for that I will write again the coordinate points. A of 2 comma 25 and B of 8 comma 20, right? Now as usual, write down this one as y1 and this one as x2 y2, right children? Now I think you know the distance formula, children, right? Now what is the distance formula? So distance formula says d equals square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, right? Now you have the values, you know the formula and you have wrote the formula. Just write down the just apply the values in the formula, right students? Now you are able to find the distance between these 2 flags, right? Nothing but AB is equals to square root of, now what is x2? X2 is how much? 8 minus, what is x1? X1 is 2 whole square plus, what is y2? Y2 is 20 minus, now what is y1? This is y1, children. Y1 is 25 whole square. Now simplify this. AB is equals to square root of, so 8 minus 2 is 6 square plus 20 minus 25, it's 5. Sign of a biggest number is 25 and the sign is minus, so therefore minus 5 whole square, minus 5 square, so therefore square root of 6 square is 36 plus any minus square will be plus, so therefore a minus 5 square will be 25 plus 25, right children? So therefore AB is equals to square root of, now what is AB? AB is nothing but the distance between the 2 flags we are finding, right? So therefore 36 plus 25 is 61 units, root 61 units. Now what is the meaning of this? So this is the distance between the 2 flags, so Niharika's flags to the Preet's flags. So this is the first part, children. Now again the second part is there. What is the second part? You need to find another thing. So what is the question? So if Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment of the 2 flags, where should she post a flag? If suppose, let me explain this thing. If suppose I will write a straight line here. So if suppose this point is nothing but Niharika has posted her flag in this point. Let me take this as A point. A coordinates are, what are the 8 coordinates, children? 2 comma 25, and let me take this points as Preet has posted her flag in this point. What are the coordinates of B points? B points 8 comma 20, right children? Now Rashmi has to post her flag in exactly halfway between these 2 flags. So that means you need to find the coordinates of this point. Now how will you find the coordinates of this point? By using these 2 coordinates, right? Now if you have remembered the formulas, the section formula, you have learned one of the formulas, children. Nothing but the coordinates of a point with the midpoint of the line segment joining the points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is nothing but the midpoint section formula says P of or P equals to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So this is the formula to find the coordinates of a point with the midpoint of the line segment of the points of the 2 coordinate points. So by this formula we can find the exact midpoint coordinate. If Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags. EB is nothing but the coordinates of the flag posted by Rashmi is equals to coordinates of the midpoint of AB. Right, children? Now you have the formula, you have the midpoint section formula, and you have the coordinates, children. Now just find the coordinates by using this formula. Now the coordinates are A of 2, 25 and B of 8, 20. Now write down as usual. This one as first one as x1, y1, this one as x2, y2. Now again I'll write the formula. P is equals to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Right, children? Now you have the values. Now just apply the values to this. So therefore P equals, now what is x1? X1 is nothing but 2. Here 2 plus x2 is 8 divided by 2, y1 is, here y1 is 25 plus y2 is 20 divided by 2. Right? Now simplify this. P is equals to 8 plus 2 is, so 10 by 2, so 25 plus 20 is 45 divided by 2. Right, children? Now divide it. 2 1s are 2 5s are. Now here 2 2s are 4. Next 2 2s are 4. 1 is remaining. Put point. Now just it will become 10. Now it will become 10. So therefore 5s are 2 5s are 10. Again I'll say 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 1 is remaining. You can't divide. So therefore take a decimal. So therefore points nothing but now it's 10. So 2 5s are 10. So therefore the answer is 5, 22.5. Right, children? Again I'll write here P of 5, 22.5. Now what is the meaning of this? So that means Rashmi is in a fifth line, and Rashmi has to post her flag at a distance of 22.5 along from the distance of EAD, children. Then only the flag will comes in the exact halfway between the Niharika's flag and a Preet's flag. Right, children? So this is the answer. So first we have found the answers of the distance between two flags. Now we have found the answer of Rashmi, that where she has to put her flag in a fifth line at a distance of 22.5, children. That's it. And thank you.